Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper elephant. You need a square paper to make this. First, take one end of the paper and fold it in half. Next, if you can't find the middle of the paper, fold it in half. Don't make a crease, but just fold it in half and press it so you can see the middle line right here. So take your pointy tip and fold it. And now repeat it and do it on the other side. When it looks like a kite, flip it over and take your pointy tip and fold it like this. Now repeat it on the other side. Fold it backwards and your elephant's face is ready. Now take a pencil and make eyes and trunk patterns and tusks for the elephant. Let's start it. And your elephant is ready. Don't forget to subscribe.